A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start the class, children. As in our previous class, we have done your how to read a clock, right? So how if the minute hand is in 12 and our hand is in any number, so how to read that? Isn't it? So today what we are going to do is today we are going to discuss our term 1 question paper so that you can see where you made mistake. So let's start. You can take out your maths copy where you note down your answers and you can check where you made mistake. So let's start. So children, let's discuss term 1 question paper. So today's date is 5/11/2020. Okay. So you can write down this date on your question paper. So children, take out a maths copy so that you can find out your mistakes where you did your mistakes. The first question is fill in the blank. First, my uncle gifted me a pair of shoes on my birthday. The picture above shows the shoe box. It has 6 rectangular faces, dash edges and 8 vertices. Now children, you know what is edges, right? So you can count how many edges are there in this cuboid. 4 on the top, 4 bottom, that is 8, and 2 sides and 2 on the opposite side. So 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges are there, children? 12 edges. Okay. Then next question number 2. Complete the given pattern. Now you have to observe this pattern. You will get in this blanks, children, J and M. In this blank, J and M will come. So check your answer. Next, number 3, compare and choose the correct sign. You can see here are 3 comparative signs, children, how to compare the two things. So greater than, smaller than and equal to. So children, you have to count, you know this, it is hundreds, right? So 100, 100, 100, 100. There are 4 hundreds, right? 4 hundreds means 400. Now here it is 100, 100, 100, 100. So again it is 400. So both are same. So what sign will come, children? Equal to sign will come. Okay. Some of you, what you have done, you counted both this separately. So some of you have done this mistake that you marked this as greater than. So this is wrong. Okay. The correct answer is equal to. Next. Question number 4. Manu puts 65 pencils and Tanu puts 25 pencils in a box. Total pencils in the box is. So total, the word total is used. So what you have to do? Addition. When you do addition of 65 pencils plus 25 pencils. So what answer will you get, children? You will get 90. 90 pencils in the box. Okay. Number 5. Dash minus 65 is equal to 14. So children, what number will you subtract here so that you get the answer, the difference 14? So you can count here also. So what we are going to do? We are going to add 65 plus 14. 65 plus 14, we get 79. So what comes here in this box? The correct answer is 79. 79 minus 65 is 14. Clear? The next question B, MCQ number 6. Look at the pairs of shoes which shows a pair of rectangle. Among these options, children, you have to choose the option where it shows a pair of rectangle. Is this rectangle A? No, it is triangle. Number B is square. C is your rectangle. So correct option is C. Okay. Next, 7. Which shape is a triangle? Now children, you can see in this figure shapes are marked with alphabets. A, B, then D is there, children, and C is in the nose. So Which shape A, B, C, D among these four letters alphabets? So children, which one is which one shows triangle? You can see legs, which shows D is your triangle. So the correct option is D. Answer is D. Okay. Number 8. The sequence of figures shows a pattern. If the patterns repeat, how many dots will figure 4 have? If there is figure 4, children, if you draw figure 4, how many dots will it have? You have to observe, and the answer is 14 dots. Okay, the correct option is 14 dots. Next, 9. If the pattern is continued, what will come next? Now children, you can see that it is indicating top first, then it is right, bottom, and this is left. Again top, right, bottom, left. Again top, right, bottom, and so what will come here, children? The correct answer is your option A. Okay, that is towards left. Next, number 10. Amit participated in a running race. He came second in position. What is the short form of the position? So what is the short form of second? How do we write, children? The correct option is B. Okay, so the correct option is B. Next, 11. Hari has 5 toffees and Ram gave him 5 more. Hari already had 5 toffees and Ram gave him more 5. So how many toffees does he have now? So 5 plus 5 are how many? 10. So 10 toffees he have now. The correct option is C. Check your answer, children. Number 12. Write the missing digit. So 45 plus 28. 45 plus 28 is what, children? Let's count. 8 plus 5, 13. Then 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So what is the digit? What should be the digit in the tens place? 7. So the correct answer is 7. That is option B. Next, number 13. Count and choose the total number of bananas. So children, you have to count total number of bananas and you have to write the answer here. So the correct option is 15. If you count all bananas, children, then you will get 15 bananas here. Okay, that is option C. Next, 14. Find the missing number in the following. You can see here is a question mark, right? It means you have to find this place. You have to find the answer in the hundreds place. Okay, so what? It is subtraction. So you have to subtract 7 with 5. What will you get? 7 minus 5 is 2. The correct option is B. Okay. Next, number 15. Disha has 7 pencils. She gave 3 pencils to Radha and 2 pencils to Maya. Total pencils left with Disha dash. So children, Disha had already 7 pencils. She gave 3 pencils and 2 pencils to Radha and Maya. So total how many pencils she gave? 5 pencils. So if you subtract from 7, what answer will you get? 2. That is 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 pencils remain with Disha. Clear? Then C, answer the following. Number 16, identify the figure and write its name. So children, you can see this, both the side there is an arrow. So what does it mean? It's a line. Okay, so you can name it as line AB or you can name it as AB the line over it. Okay, so both the ways are correct. Number 17. How many triangles can be seen in this drawing? In this drawing, how many triangles can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one this 5. Okay, so total how many triangles? 5 triangles. Number 18. How many equal sides does a square have? How many equal sides does a square have? It has 4 sides, right? So, how many equal sides? 4. The correct answer is 4. Next, number 19. Pick the figure that does not belong to the pattern and draw it on your answer script. So, children, there is one odd figure. You have to pick up that figure and you have to draw here. So we can see that this is a circle, square, and there is only one rectangle which is the odd one. So you have to draw the figure here. Okay, the correct answer is this. Number 20. Color the following figures to complete the pattern. So children, there is a figure with it is same. So you get to make your own pattern. You can color it with the way you want it. You can put yellow here and then red here, any color of your own, okay, to make a pattern. Then number 21, write the number which has 2 in hundreds place, 6 in ones place, and 1 in tens place. It is already shown here. You have to place the number according to the place. So 2 comes in hundreds place, 6 comes in ones place, and 1 comes in tens place. So the number what is formed here is 216. Okay, did you get the answer? Number 22. Soma got 345 marks in a test. Show the number in an abacus spike. So children, your 345 you have to show in an abacus. So you have to make 3 spikes. So the answer is you have to make the 3 spikes and you have to show there in an abacus. Okay, that is ones, tens, and 100. Number 23. Form the greatest 3-digit number with a given digit. So you have 2 digits and you have to form 3-digit greatest number. So how can you form? The greatest number is 5, right? So we can repeat 5 2 times to make it 3-digit. So now you are getting, if you repeat 2 times, then 554, you get here 3-digit number. The number is 554. Clear? Then number 24, 15 plus 12 is equal to 27 is equal to 12 plus 15. So what property does this addition statement show? What property is it? Commutative property. Okay. Question number 25. Find the digit in the ones place if the sum of 14 and 11. So you plus 14 plus 11, you do addition of these two numbers and find the answer which comes in ones place. So what comes? 5. So the answer is 5. Okay. Next, what are the place values required for the subtraction of 3-digit number? What place values are required for the subtraction of 3-digit number, children? Ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay. Number 27. Out of 7 days in a week, Rishika studied for 3 days. Out of 7 days, children, Rishika studied for 3 days. For how many days did she not study? So how can you find out? You can do subtraction. So you will get the answer 4 days. Okay. Next, number 28. Name the property used in 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. So subtracting the number from itself. Number 29. Identify the shape which has no sides and no corners. Which 2D shape, children, has no sides and no corner? The answer is circle. The answer is circle. Okay. 2 pairs of opposite sides equal. Which shape is it? It is rectangle. Okay. Next, question number 30. In the figure shown below, how many dots are there in the circle but not in the triangle? How many dots are there in the circle but not in the triangle? So how many dots are there, children? There are 6 dots. Okay. Next, 35. Can we make a pattern from any basic shapes? Yes. The answer is yes. M9, L8, K7, J6, then I5 and H4 is the answer. Just check your answer, children. Number 32. Seema has some amount of money with her. 2 notes of rupees 100, 2 notes of rupees 20 and 1 coin of rupees 5. How much money does she have in all? So we have to do addition. You will get the answer 200 rupees 243. Okay. Then write the number name. You know how to write the number name. You can check your answer. Then 34. 22 students out of 50 from class 2 section A are selected for a quiz. 27 students out of 50 from class 2 section B are selected for the same quiz. How many total number of students are selected from A and B for the quiz? So what we are going to do? We are going to add 22 students plus 27 students. We get 49 students are selected. Okay. Now you have to count these cubes. You will get your 55 plus 64, that is equal to 19. That is equal to 119. So the answer is 119. Okay. Then question number 36. Baker Jane baked how many cookies? Total how many cookies are there? There are 12 cookies. Okay. And sold how many cookies? 6 cookies. So how can you form in the form of subtraction, children? 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Then number 37. 99. This is subtraction which you can do. You can check your answer. Then 38. 1 cube is equal to 10. So how many cubes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 50. Next 39. So children, you know how to do this already. This you can check in your copy in your book also. Then number 40. Jaya lives in a city named Chennai. How many letters are there in the name of a Chennai? There are 7 letters. What are those? Then you have to write this way. What is the first letter of the name? You can see. C is the first letter. Number C. Is any letter being repeated in the names of Jaya's city? Yes, the letter N is repeated, right? In which place is the name is repeated letter? So what is the place? Most of you have made mistake in this. That is 4th and 5th place. 4th and 5th place. Okay. The last question is, Abhay had 20 fruits. He gave 10 to his sister and 5 to his brother. So answer the following question. How many fruits were left with Abhay after giving to his sister? 10 fruits. How many fruits did he give in all? 15 fruits. How many fruits did his brother have? 5 fruits. So children, your question paper is discussed here. So you can check your answer where you made mistake. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.